your main character, you should protagonist or main character should be 18 years and above. Because this mistake is sometimes committed by the 10 plus 20 because they themselves are 16, 17. So sometimes our Greta Thunberg, she is an exception. Basically, we want adult, mature responses. So your main character should be 18 years and above. All these were doing in 1 minute, and lastly, their moods. When I say moods, mood is not of the whole picture. Moods of the, all this we are doing about the main characters, whatever it has appeared, 1 to 2. And mood you have to classify them into positive, negative or neutral. These 3 only. Don't use any other adjective or phrase. They are fearful, they are excited, they are joyful, or they are nervous. Nothing. Just positive, negative or neutral. In this there is a story about the picture, what you have seen. Create a story or narrative around that. Now how you will structure your narrative? What led to the situation, what is going on and what is the outcome. Meaning it will have a definite beginning, middle and end. Okay, so this is how the structure. That should not be lost. And it should not, practically it should not be dreamy and wishful also. Here and now it should have something which is doable. Okay, so then when I say solid, it means your theme or story, whatever, it should have some substance in it. It should have some substance. In Hindi it is called danga, but in English, although it is not the right translation, but it has come into the usage, so I use that. It should have some weight in it. So you have taken a substantial, solid theme. Now, what is in it for the society? Society you all understand. In Hindi we call it samaj. It's a very general term. It's genuine term. It should be a community. It should be an orphanage. It could be a village. So basically what it means is you have to rise above self, family and friends. Don't be get stuck there. Don't write a story. That's why I did not mention this. You see this kind of picture. There was somebody who was aspiring to join the armed forces or civil services. He or she worked hard, cleared UPSC, FCAT, then underwent coaching and mentored to become a great officer, military officer, civil service. Sorry, this will not take you to the next round. Okay, so don't rise as so you go to rise self, family and friends. Because what? So and society, as I told you. No, once I say society, it does not. So society means a community, a group of people. Some are like orphanage, village, whatever. It's a very generic, broad term. But something good should have happened to a group of people. So you have to write that. I know dil chahta hai. In spite of my telling, some of you would have ended up writing. He was very aspirant, worked out there, cleared SSB. It will not take you to the next one. Okay. Now also understand, when I say society, it does not mean you have to be social worker only. Some candidates are thinking, no, it doesn't mean that. Even if some industry is set up, that is also when it generates employment, that is also doing something good to the society. Even Cavalier is doing something good to the society. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you have to be social worker only. So, and also please don't think it's a housing society, that is too small a unit. Basically some larger group should have that. Or interruption, you should not get stuck. So stay confident, be fluent. Also look around or eye scanning. Look around means this you will be telling your group mates. So you should be looking at them. Wherever you are sitting, look right or left. Don't look just up or down in one direction. Look around and also listen to others. It's not that you have written your finished your narration and switch off. No. Please pay attention to what others are saying because it will be useful in the next round. So these are the things you have to keep in mind for which you will get just about 1. All the candidates finish their their individual narration, then they will tell you to discuss among yourselves and evolve a consensus on the same aspects. Which aspects? The number of characters, their gender, age, mood, what led to the situation, what is going on, what is beyond. Consensus, you all understand? Consensus is broad agreement, it's not conclusion. General broad agreement. Now, this is the most important, I'll tell you why. Now, what are the things you have to keep in mind here? This will decide whether to go to the next round. Next round or not. So, what are the things you have to first enter early? When I say enter early, 1, 2, 3 means when the discussion started, you have started participating very quickly. 1, 2, 3. Listen. Now you are not going to look beyond. Either you are opening or one down bus. You are not ready to come 5, 6 down. So you are, and when I say enter early, doesn't mean to keep talking on. Then of course you have made an appearance and go back, keep coming back. Basically you have to be interested in the group task. Consensus as to you have to discuss. Enter early. Participate and contribute. Participate and contribute towards the consensus. Now remember, what are the things you have to keep in mind? Please remember that some candidates think that if my theme or my story is not being accepted, I cannot participate in the discussion. No, it doesn't mean that. It's not about you anymore, it's about the group. Okay? So suppose, yes, you should try and convince people. If you have brought something solid, you should try and convince your group mates to accept it. But otherwise, somebody has got a better theme, accept it and then add value to it, but you will participate. Now here I give you an example. Suppose that candidate who wrote Tea Pakoras, when the discussion started, he very quickly realized that nobody is going to buy. And when the discussion started about rainwater harvesting, flood relief, he came up with some solid, concrete points that candidates still can go through. These tea and pakoda will be forgotten. And on the contrary, there was one candidate in individual narration he wrote, he spoke very high-fi about interlinking of rivers, this, that, but did not participate here or participated very little, he will not go. Okay, so participate and contribute, don't worry about your team. So it doesn't mean that. You participate and contribute, whatever team is there. Also listen to others. Listen, understand. This is a discussion. So you have to pay attention to what others are also saying. It's not that you have to keep talking, but only listening will not do. Only sitting there listening to everyone, you have to participate and contribute to towards the consensus. But pay attention to whether the topic don't just sit there listening only. That will not help. Listen to others. Now, next thing, avoid getting irritated. Sorry, when you finish your discussion, they will tell you to nominate anyone from the group to tell the assessor whatever the broad consensus has been arrived. Now, what are the things you have to keep in mind? First, remember, don't make it a big deal. Some candidates make it a big deal. Don't make it a big deal. Because believe me, your fate has already been decided. What you have written, what you have narrated, and what you have contributed to the discussion. Okay, so don't make it a big deal. Now, and also no self-nomination. Okay, no self-nomination. Because I remember sometimes a candidate was here, moment the discussion stopped. Friends, let me do it. Stood up. Friends, thanks for giving me an opportunity. What about you, stood up? Because aren't they watching? So don't actually. Yes. You should be ready and willing. Suppose nobody is coming forward. Then you say, friends, if you permit, may I do it? Because the leader is humble and full of humility. Then they say, okay, go ahead. And then you thank the group for giving you an opportunity. And then they'll say, whatever the group has decided. Some candidates here also commit the mistake once they are nominated. They start telling their own narration. Don't do that. That has already been heard. Basically, how the consensus emerges, some point from one candidate, something from another, and then it will be a combination. Of course, in some rarest of rare case that your theme was so solid, whatever your thought, your story, narration was so solid that it has been accepted without any change, then of course. Okay, so this is what it goes. So that person will enter whatever. There will be 3 assessors sitting there, and one of them will brief you like that. Ladies and gentlemen, some time ago you were shown a picture. Then you have written a story about the same. What you have to do is now tell us one by one. What we are now going to do is continuum of the same. First you have to tell us one by one in the order of your chess numbers as to what you saw in the picture, the number of character, their gender, age, mood. Then briefly describe as to what led to the situation, what is going on and what is the outcome as perceived by each one of you. Once you all finish your individual narration, then you will discuss among yourself and evolve a consensus on the same aspects. That is the number of character, their gender, age, mood, what led to the situation, what is going on and what is the outcome. At the end of your discussion, you can nominate anyone from the group to tell me whatever the broad consensus has been arrived at. Consensus you all understand? It's broad agreement, it's not conclusion. Now ladies and gentlemen, the time for the entire exercise at SS will be just about 25 to 30 minutes. So there are few things you have to keep in mind. And please remember SSB, whenever they say keep few things in mind, they tell you few instructions to follow. Please follow them meticulously. Because some candidates, there is no lip service there. Some candidates think they can, whatever we can afford it, don't do that. It will unnecessarily irritate them. So please remember and understand and follow. First and foremost, please be very brief and crisp to the point during your individual narration so that you have more time for discussion. You are required to tell only the broad gist of your narrative and you need not go into the minute details. Okay, as I told you, roughly you will be getting about just 1 minute. Now since the 1 minute is, you have just about time is short, there will be no time for pleasantries. Good evening, good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, I am so and so, nothing. Invariably your narration will become, friends, in this picture I have seen so many characters, the gender age, and narrate whatever you want to say. And moment you finish, say thank you, so that next person knows that you have finished. Now when I say 1 minute, it doesn't mean that they will have a stopwatch or clock will start ticking. No, it is just your intuition and instinct. So here it's not like that 55 seconds, 1 minute, and no, roughly around 1 minute. Having said that, don't be sketchy also, so that you miss some important ingredients of your narrative. Okay, now what is not, and also don't be a drag. Okay. Secondly, you will remain, like one example I will give you of what is non-essential. Some time ago, there one candidate was there was some picture, some couple of, it was a work site or something. So one candidate wrote, there was a woman laborer who was working at the work site. His son, who was studying civil engineering, came here and he saw some, defect in the pillars. So he brought to the notice of her mother, who brought it on the supervisor contractor. So they say, so far so good. After going home, she made idlis for him. We have idlis and all, this is non-essential. Okay, so this is what I am saying. So you have to tell only the broad gist, okay, and roughly around 1 minute. Secondly, you will remain seated throughout the exercise and are not required to stand up at any stage except when the person who is nominated to present the group consensus, that is the only time he or she will stand up in front of his or her chair. That is the only time you will look at me. First, thank the group for giving you an opportunity. Look at me and tell whatever the broad consensus has been arrived. Now, please safeguard against telling your own narration. Otherwise, whenever you speak, please address to the group members and not to me. In fact, you should forget about me as if I am not even present here. Needless to say, here as well as SSB, be loud enough so that everybody can hear what you are saying. The language to be used at SSB as well as here is English, but if you get stuck here and there, you can speak a little bit of Hindi, but no regional languages would be permitted at SSB. Clear? Okay, we will begin with chest number 2, who is first on the sequence, then others will go in numerical sequence. You are 4? 4, 5 till chest number 44. Chest number 2 will begin her individual narration, and moment she finishes and says thank you, the next person can take over from her without waiting for any signal or indication from her. We will follow the same procedure till 44. Similarly, the moment chest number 44 finishes, you can start off with the discussion again without waiting for any signal or indication. Clear? Any question? Any doubt? No doubt? Okay.
Friends, in my story, I perceived 8 characters, out of which the main character in my story is a female of age 24 years of age, and she is of positive mood. The other characters are around the same age and of neutral mood. So basically, Inaya, she is a BTech graduate who is working in an electronics firm. So as a part of their company routine where they deal with projects daily, so she comes across a potential bug that could cause a huge loss to the company. However, this went unnoticed by others, and she brings this to the notice of her manager, who is responsible to look after this as well. But since the change that is required is something which is of a significant level and cannot be made at a very sufficient level, there happens a conference in the conference room where there are members from different level of the institution, and as well as the members and the manager and Inaya of the company. So she explains in a logical sequence why this potential bug would be something that can cause a lot of, in terms of finance, as well as could cause some problem to the customers who are going to deal with this chip. So Inaya, because of her logical way of explanation, could explain why this is a potential bug, and she had also come across some possible solutions.
Okay, thank you. Story understood. Next.
Friends, in my story, I perceived a female character, which is who is of age 46, and she is a chief engineer in a housing and building company. And the Indian Engineers Association conducted a competition in urban design to develop the underdeveloped area, which is more of the rural area, which has the potential to modify into a city. So Jennifer and her team conducted meetings, and they designed a master plan, and after that they participated in the competition and they won, and the Indian Engineers Association, they brought it under the notice of the government so as to implement it in the future. Thanks.
Hello friends, in my story I presume Sudesh, who is a 24-year BCom graduate, and a group of 8 people who are a Panchayat committee. Sudesh is a Panchayat clerk who has been newly appointed to the village. Since he is a BCom graduate and well educated, he surveys the village and finds out the ill-hygienic condition of the village. He organizes a Panchayat meeting and makes aware them about how the ill-hygienic conditions of the village affects the health of other people in the village. He succeeds in getting the consensus of all the Panchayat members in organizing awareness drive where they plan on doing various campaigns and making aware households how to conduct proper hygienic conditions in their locality. and within a span of 1 month he is able to clean the village to its utmost level and has been well appreciated by the Panchayat committee and higher authorities. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I perceive 8 characters and my main character is Ramesh, who is age 28 and in a positive mode. Ramesh is working in a corporate company and he one day finds out that in a meeting, he finds out that the company was having a problem of lack of employees and by which the company was going down. So Ramesh, he takes an initiative with his colleagues with the help of social media, he puts on the notification of how jobs being given in this company and with the help of pamphlets and newspapers. And by this initiative, gradually there were people who are turning up towards the company and taking up a job. And like this, the company started gradually coming up and people started turning up for a job. Thank you.
So I pursued one main character in the picture. The main character of my story is Sunil. Sunil, a 21-year graduate, got into the police for which he was waiting for a very long time. He was working in the police for nearly 1 year and he got a case which senior officers were unable to solve for a long time. He was also a part of the case and he took a lot of research and got intel from something, and then he took the research to his senior officers and his senior officers took the research and then searched a lot and then busted the gang. Thank you.
Hello friends, I have perceived almost 7 people in the picture, and the main character was a female of 25 age. She was in a positive mood and my story goes like this. Kartika was doing her house urgency in the hospital, so she noticed that from the given nearby village, the fever cases were increasingly reporting. So she gathered her friends and then they all together visited the village. Then they got to know the unhygienic conditions of the village, and so they all together planned whatever they can do for the village, and they divided themselves to subgroups and the subgroups visited the village. Then they ensured the hygiene of the village by cleaning the surroundings of the village by the help of villagers, and also they ensured the safety of drinking water and surroundings. They provided bleaching powders and all, and they also provided adequate medical aid to each of the house. And then within a short period of time, the reporting cases decreased and they all ensured the health of the people. Thank you.
Friends, I perceived 8 characters in that picture. The main character was a male of around 26 years old with positive mood. Beneath, a 26-year-old young man who was working in a company who used to manufacture edible food items as a technical head. One day came out with an idea and decided to go to the MD of that company to introduce that idea. Then MD told that we would have had a discussion with all the members where you represent your idea. There he represented to introduce new machineries in the company so they can increase their output in lesser amount of time with low costing. But other members of that board opposed this as it will snatch the livelihoods of the workers and it would replace them. But however, Vineet was able to convince them that we need more workers to operate these machineries, and in less amount of time our company will generate double revenues. Thank you.
Friends, I perceived a male character of age 27 years and his mood is positive. Due to the ongoing COVID cases, the GDP of the nation has reduced a lot, and all the civil servants are discussing on various factors through which they can develop the GDP rate. The Ajay, who is also a civil servant, has come up with an idea to focus more on distribution of COVID vaccines, as India is one of the major producers of the vaccines. So Ajay and his team has made a list on various countries which are badly affected by the COVID cases, and discussed with the ambassadors over the distribution of these vaccines to those nations. The This not only doubled the GDP of our nation but also has helped other nations to fight back the COVID cases. Thank you.
Friends, from the picture I perceived 8 characters and all of them planned positively. The theme of my story is providing COVID loan schemes. In my story, Neiman is a 22-year-old diligent and responsible assistant manager for a reputed bank. One day, his bank called for a manager meeting in which Neiman was also invited. In the meeting, there was a discussion about welfare schemes for the people, and Neiman suggested a scheme for children whose parents passed away due to COVID. This suggestion was accepted and Neiman was appointed as the in charge to carry out this scheme. Neiman took the list of the victims and carried out the scheme diligently. Thank you.
Friends, in the picture I perceived a group of people sitting in a room. Center of my character is Akhilesh, age 25 years old. He is a graduate from Reputed University. He is a dedicated and responsible person. He is working as a project engineer in a reputed company. The company got a project from the government to construct houses to the poor people. The director appointed as a project head to the project. He and his colleagues put maximum efforts to design the houses. After completion of the project design, he given a big PowerPoint presentation to the board of directors. All are convinced and agreed his project. Then after the project came into existence, all are the houses were constructed. All are appreciated his efforts. Thank you.
Vaccination that those who parents lost in the time we can
It is a project. Project takes some time. You can nurture it. Every project you complete, it has a time.
It will take a longer time.
Yeah, it will take a very long time.
By the construction of houses, the bills are getting
Instead of that, we can employ people. You're telling them instead of
Actually,
most of the youths are employed for job and they are provided job opportunities and the project is executed properly. We can go into that.
Yeah, because
So what is the organization that is
So we can go, so as
what should we name the organization?
Access is the idea of the
no problem.
So we'll stick to the IT organization.
No. Not agree with you, point.
actually, development means development in all sort of forms. All sort of forms.
Only
So
for
let us go on this one idea. As the financial year, as the financial budget meeting has come, more emphasis is made on automobile industry.
Since I work in that sector, I know that a small bug can cause a huge issue and can cause a lot of financial problem. And you are using mobile phones, each one of us are using laptops.
Yeah.
So we know how important it is to us, right? So, and since many of us went with the technology point of view, we can go with this point.
But many of us
Yes,
also
I
said
agree.
that we are not a cleanliness or something that type of sort of a drive.
No, okay,
Where
I-
the fairly highlight of the neighbor.
As customer to said, IT sector. So we can also, by using IT sectors, we can also make people aware about how you go about COVID, important guidelines, awareness, that can be a key point, right?
Actually, how this IT can be used to develop a base. Like that also we can change.
That is the only technological aspect. You develop there,
major problem here in this nation, so we can go with employment also. For IT, which is linked to employment as well as the service sector, so we can go on IT as
IT sector, okay, how can you provide job facilities to the unemployed person?
So they are working on projects.
It is a company, the board of members sitting in a room, they are discussing about the project. They are all like, IT project, what is the issue?
No, they are discussing about a project. The project involves developing some infrastructures. By developing infrastructure, we should employ some people.
I think
So they are taking about jobs.
IT doesn't provide infrastructure, it is about more about technology, so they cannot employ anyone in that field.
There are a lot of workforce which is employed in the warehouses as well. So we cannot generalize with respect to that, right?
Which has gone, and a group of people are discussing on what should be the emphasis more on this financial budget of this year. Because when we can consider most of them officials due to various factors of the farmers union protests and various other missions done by defense forces, they are discussing on what must be the emphasis on the financial year budget of this year.
I also agree with number 12. If we are discussing about financial budget, some budget is also allocated for the victims who are affected by COVID. We can go with that.
Yeah, we can generalize them in terms of by taking everything.
Every
Like,
six,
okay,
So
so
we can all the we can come up with an idea through the budget plan.
We can also see access to
Okay, thank you, your time is up. Now you can nominate anyone from the group to tell me whatever the consensus has been arrived at. Nominate कर दो किसी को.
can we nominate just number 12?
Thank you friends for nominating me. Sir, we have decided that there is a group of people, a civil servants, that are discussing on what factors we must develop the financial budget plan due to ongoing COVID cases and as well as due to the farmer struggle, on what factors the financial year budget must be made so that most of the people who are affected can be restored to normal their happy lives. Thank you.
Now, first overall, I think all of you have understood. You are trying to perform. Basics you are doing right. Okay. Only thing is one more thing. You have got too much of commercial angle. You have to, I know, because one will be writing on one's environment. So some of you know like. So don't get into commercial things too much. But I think this picture was such where it was looking, so it could be a company or office. Now, and most of you are trying to participate, which is good thing. That is the key. Okay, now first the group consensus. I think you discuss. वो कहते हैं ना, much ado you know promised so much but delivered very little. In the end, nothing much came out because during the discussion, it was one of the best discussion. We are not able to generate so many points, COVID and some unhygienic conditions, something to do with company, but in the end nothing, because what came out was that it is a GDP going down and financial budget and farmer stuff. So that's why you should not go that route where you will not have, you should have something which you can relate. Financial budget and all, it's a government exercise and then nothing much, any in the end, but doesn't matter. In the end, nothing much. I thought you were promising so much. There was a genuine discussion, there was a genuine deliberation, but in the end, nothing much came out. Anyway, so now individually, just number 2. I have written, in your case, I think everything was right. You did everything right, but look outside company. See, listen, don't bring such things because those assessors also, bug and all, it's okay, but again, it's a company related, and also look something larger good. Even if, bug has been saved from the company, what is in it for the society? Something should have happened. Okay, so look outside and avoid technical things. Technical don't, because their assessor also won't know too much. All the bug is very simple, and then in the end also see you what bug, how you solved it. This was, so don't bring such things. Okay. Otherwise, rest of things you are good, you are confident. Only thing is be mindful of 1 minute. That's why I have to stop you. Don't just, you are unnecessarily becoming a drag. Be mindful for 1 minute. And there also they will stop you like that. If you go on, so don't worry. You should not be shaken up. Once they have stopped, it doesn't mean it goes against it. They will not stop you till they have received what they wanted. But you should be a good finisher. Okay, so not otherwise rest of things you are doing good, you are participating also. With this kind of performance, you will be able to go to the next round. In the sense, you should be able to go through. Just number 4, there is a marked improvement. I think what I saw you last week, now that hesitancy has gone, your mind is working. So continue like this only. Okay, everything was right about you when you narrated, and now you are up front. Earlier you were kind of not, now you are asserting. So don't look back. Okay, continue like this only. If you continue like that, you will be definitely, you should be able to go to the next one. Just number 5, you are also okay. Now only thing I have written, maybe you can just what exactly was unhygienic. It was very, so say something, what was the garbage disposal or sewage or something, what was unhygienic which they, but overall I think you are right, you narrated it well and then you participated also in the discussion, you try to restore order also. So with this kind of performance, you should be able to go through. Now just number 7, you have to think, that was not making much sense. Again, you have to think bigger and better. A company is struggling to hire and social media, why there is a platforms? Why they are struggling employees, and this is not a medium. Social media, so we need employees and all. There are so many hiring agencies, they are giving the ad in the newspaper or net, whatever you do. So that was not making, you have to think bigger and better. Okay, and you are there since last week.
So this is my refresher course. Refresher course I need.
Then you should know why you are getting up. Something big should happen. Even if a company has hired, no, you have to think bigger, better, more practical. Okay, this is not, and also you are a refresher, then you should be participating more. It did not appear, I almost thought you are a first time sitting here, and that kind of your contribution wasn't there. Remember, contribution certain level is little bit here, sitting here and being interested. Okay, so you have to do much better than that. You also, another 7.
Yes.
You also can, this didn't make sense. You know, public case, research, we don't know what case, what research, kuch aise no, it don't be vague. Okay, again, if you are telling something, you know, there is inside out, there is something. First, you don't bring all those cases, avoid that. Police wala, though, I don't think you have to needed to perceive that uniform. You could have nobody else thought as police, and even police also they are, you know, thinking of something. Okay, inside here you can think. So, but that did nothing. What case, what research? The senior did research. And don't be vague. Okay, no problem. So you have to do much better. Your participation also is very little. You have got a vantage position right there, but you did not. This way you will not go through. You also. This performance will not take you to the next one. Just number 8. Your written narration was pretty okay. I have written okay. Everything was right about it. There was a fever spread which does happen, and then you found out what was the cause. So you are looking okay, but I think you did not utter a word or 1 or 2 words only discussion. Why? You became doubtful. Because I told you your group effectiveness is seen here. You have to assert. You have to be upfront. You just said something that will not take you to the next round. Again, you also lost that effort. You are sitting right in the middle. Not that it matters at SSV, but you are there. You are most of the time silent. Please participate in the discussion. So this way you will not go to the next round. Remember, what you do here is going to decide. Normally we said first impression is the best impression. In PPDT, last impression is the lasting impression. Okay, so you have to make it count. Just number 9. You also, MD, some didn't livelihood, that idea, this idea, nothing. We don't know what was being discussed, didn't make sense. You also please be specific. And just because it looked like a room, so you get out from there, like people have gone out. After that discussion should have resulted. So did not come out, and your participation is also very little. You have to do much more than that. No problem, they will get more. 12. Now you were doing pretty good actually throughout, and you were like a chameleon, you change color very quickly. ठीक है, TD भी छोड़ो चलो बोले लो. Automobile नहीं खेलते खाएंगे. No, he was trying to. No, it's good, and you were talking sense. But only thing is, but you need to assert. Don't accept everything. You need to assert. In the midst of that, there will be idea which will be most pleasing to you. Okay, so that you should not that go chalo automobile, let's finish it off. And in the end you didn't know. Okay, you need to assert, take your heart's call, which look otherwise you're doing all right, you narrated it well. Okay, and but stay slightly to your own level, GDP and all, that will be little difficult. So otherwise you are doing everything, you are contribute to your group cause, and also at SSB I know. That's don't smile in between and all. Although you didn't mean any harm, you participated, you were nominated. Only thing you need to assert of one idea, maybe your own or collective friends, why don't we take this and convince them logically. Okay, but with this kind of performance, you should be able to go to the next one. Just number 12. You also, you didn't make bank welfare scheme. And we don't know what exactly was the scheme. Listen, so you picked up the scheme, yes, inside bank, but bank is not distributing its government scheme. Bank will not give, because bank has to let them know where is the money going to come back from. So you said bank welfare scheme. Bank does not have any welfare scheme. Only government has. Okay, so what exactly was the scheme? We don't know. But welfare scheme, so don't be vague. Even if you want to say bank during the COVID, the government has say something properly. But otherwise, I think you are okay, you are participating, you should be able to go to the next one. 44, you are also, okay, you are making sense, he found, because he was trying to relate. Actually, you also telling the houses, now somebody said it doesn't mean that, okay, it has to be here and now, it doesn't mean that. Arey Baba, houses, because few things will take up. It has begun, it will be ready in 1 year, so that it doesn't mean that. If there is housing for the poor, then it will take some time to construct, that's okay. When I said it's not like somebody, so that was not long term. If they are say okay houses, so it will start. So anyway, I think you are doing, but you need to assert, sell your idea. Okay, chalo.